Thank you, veterans, for protecting our community.
Thank you, veterans, for all your service. We love you.
Thank you. Thank you for helping us be safe.
Happy Veterans Day. Thank you for your service.
Thank you for serving our country and defending our freedom. We appreciate all you do.
Thank you, all veterans, for making sacrifices for our country.
2, 3, go.
Happy Veterans Day! Thank you to my papa for serving in the Vietnam War. Nolan, can you show us a picture of what he looked like? Yes.
Thank you, Nolan.
Thank you to our granddad Loomer for serving in the U.S. Navy. Nolan, can you show us a picture of what he looked like?
Thank you.
Thank you to Granddad for serving in the U.S. Army. This is what his picture looked like.
Yep.
That's what he looks like.
All right.
Thank you to Uncle Alex for serving in the U.S. Navy. Nolan, could you please show us a picture of what he looks like? Yes.
All right.
We love all veterans. We love all our veterans.
Good job, boys.
Thank you for all our veterans for serving.
We have freedom because of you. Thank you for your service.
Thank you.
Hi, my name is Lieutenant Junior Grade Alex Tendy. I'm stationed in beautiful Charleston, South Carolina, operating the world's oldest nuclear reactor. I want to send a special thank you to my nephews, Jude and Nolan Smith, and everyone else at Stinson Elementary School for all the kind words y'all have sent me. I hope you're having a wonderful Veterans Day and stay safe.